What's the one thing that studies have shown from doctors and pediatricians and specialists around the world that studies have shown that's amazing for kids? It's martial arts. Martial arts helps to build kids' confidence so they're able to stand up for themselves more and do what they believe in themselves. It helps to build self-discipline so they're able to do the right thing the first time. It also helps to build their self-esteem so they can stay away from negative peer pressure as well. The best thing also, it gets kids off their Xboxes, off their consoles, off their PlayStations, gets them off Fortnite, which is an amazing thing these days as well. So we want to help more families because we appreciate it's a really difficult time for a lot of families at the moment. So we're giving away our beginners program completely for free. So this is for people who've never done any martial arts before. It's fun, exciting, educational, gives all these amazing life skills as well. We're Academy Martial Arts. We've been here since 2002 and helped thousands of people, like adults, to get fit with our amazing fitness program. We help kids to build all these important life skills that they don't get at school and educational systems at the moment as well. So all you need to get started, there's a big blue button saying get started now. Hit that, enter in your details so we can email or text you out all the details that you need to do our online program. It doesn't just finish after this beginner program. There is the option to train more afterwards if you like to, or when we reopen, you can come down here and train with our amazing community and the Academy Martial Arts family. So click on that big blue button. We can't wait to help you and your family and get you started into the wonderful world of martial arts. We'll see you soon.